I lost it. I need my glasses, Nick. I can't see it.
You see it there?
No.
Not in the sun, you goof.
Yeah, I'm looking right at the sun.
Oh.
I have no idea if I have it or not. Greg, do you have better eyes than I do? Oh, Jesus!
You know I don't, unfortunately.
Even though you won't be able to see it on the screen, you're probably actually getting it.
Do you think?
Yeah. It's just so small.
Are you putting these on YouTube or anything?
Yep.
Oh!
No!
How do I know if it's recording?
It'll say REC in
Sweet.
red towards the bottom middle of the screen.
That's awesome.
Well, I don't see that, but hopefully it's recording.
Yeah. I'll let you take care of that. Yeah, a little bit. I was out shopping. I went to Menards and got some rechargeable batteries for my scanner and did some fiddly stuff like that. Oh, yeah.
No idea if I got it. I can't see it at all.
That's fine.
Uh-oh. I can't tell which way it's going. Oh, there it is. Cool.